The Nikon Coolpix lineup is Nikon's best-selling compact camera series. As a result, Nikon has invested into the line of compact cameras, and the Coolpix series has evolved over time, adding new features and keeping up the technological advances. And, if we're being real, even some of Nikon's past models are top-notch options for today's photographers. So, today, we're taking a look at the 5 best Nikon Coolpix cameras to help you pick the perfect one for your photography needs. Number 1. Nikon Coolpix A1000. The A1000 has a great mix of features and is a fantastic camera for taking high-quality photos. This camera has a 35x optical zoom lens with macro capability. It has a backside illuminated CMOS sensor and an ISO range of 100 to 6400. This camera also has 4K Ultra HD video capability with stereo sound and an LCD display with anti-reflection coating. Plus, it offers Wi-Fi for sharing your pictures on the go. It's an affordable camera, with incredible specs. In terms of design, the A1000 is compact, and it is much smaller than most mirrorless and DSLR cameras. Therefore, it could make a great travel camera. It also has a simple rear control panel with a clear set of buttons. Despite offering advanced photography capabilities, beginners should also be able to use this camera comfortably. Number 2. Nikon Coolpix B500. The B500 comes in as a close second for the best Coolpix camera of 2022. This camera comes with a 60x optical zoom, 120x dynamic fine zoom, and a 16-megapixel sensor which performs great even in low light. It records in full HD 1080p quality and has built-in Wi-Fi capabilities. Plus, this camera has creative effects you can add to your images. It has 19 scene modes for optimizing settings. In the same vein, it has 36 artistic filters to give your images a special, unique look. It has high-quality features and allows you to add a creative spin to your photography. We also like that the B500 body feels and looks more like a traditional DSLR or bridge camera. It has a grip on the right-hand side so you can comfortably hold the lens. Also, the zoom function is easy to operate. At just 1.10 lbs/498G, this camera is also lightweight and should be easy to carry on long photography adventures. Number 3. Nikon Coolpix P1000. The 2018 Nikon Coolpix P1000 camera is still a popular choice. Its features, quality, and specs earn it high praise. This includes its 3000mm optical zoom lens, which is the most powerful lens ever used on a Coolpix camera. It also shoots 4K video, has rock-steady stabilization, and great low-light capabilities. Plus, this camera offers full manual control and the ease of automatic shooting modes. As a result, this camera is perfect for a knowledgeable photographer who wants to utilize its full potential and high-quality features, or even a beginner who's just finding their feet. The body of this bridge camera is the largest of the Coolpix cameras. It is also heavier. However, the ergonomic body design should still make it easy to handle. Also, when the lens is fully extended, you can easily support it underneath for additional stability. Number 4. Nikon Coolpix W300. Firstly, if you're looking for a waterproof device, the Nikon Coolpix W300 is perfect for you. The camera comes as a bundled package with a 32GB memory card, case, battery, monopod, and floating handle kit. However, the main draw of this camera is its waterproof capabilities. It shoots 4K video and has Wi-Fi capabilities. It is waterproof up to 30 which means it can be fully submerged. If you enjoy diving, snorkeling, or water sports, this is a great accessory to have. You could use it to capture underwater landscapes in beautiful 4K UHD quality. Nikon W300 waterproof underwater digital camera with TFT LCD, 3-foot, black, 26523. Nikon Coolpix W300. To summarize, we'd say this camera is perfect for the adventurous photographer looking to take stunning, captivating high-quality photos and videos. Number 5. Nikon Coolpix B500. The Nikon Coolpix B500 is affordable and has simple features. It's a great starter tool for photographers. It has a 16MP sensor and a lens with an aperture range of 3.0 to 6.5 mm. The optical zoom of this lens is 40x and the dynamic zoom is 80x, offering you plenty of scope to shoot far-away subjects. If you're looking for a Nikon Coolpix camera for videography purposes, the B500 might not be the right model for you. It only shoots in 1080p. However, if you want to shoot a mix of videos and photos for casual purposes or photos at a higher level, this camera offers plenty. With a versatile set of features, this is a great Coolpix camera for beginners who are looking to improve their photography and maybe develop their skills further. It offers a great design with an ergonomic body that will get beginners used to how DSLR or mirrorless cameras feel.